Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about Squarespace Payments and why it is a massive upgrade for your online store. Let's get right to it. Squarespace Payments is a native, built-in payment processor that lets you accept and manage money directly within your Squarespace dashboard. In the past, you had to connect third-party services like Stripe or PayPal to sell things on your site, which meant juggling different accounts just to see your payouts or process refunds. Now, everything is handled in one place. You can accept major credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay, and Klarna without ever leaving your Squarespace account. It is incredibly easy to set up. Just go to the finance or selling section of your dashboard, click Payments, and follow the simple prompts to securely connect your bank account. The absolute biggest advantage is the all-in-one financial dashboard. You can track your sales, manage customer disputes, and even use the instant payouts feature so you're not waiting days for your money to clear. Plus, it keeps your customers right on your site for a seamless checkout experience instead of redirecting them to another platform. If this quick breakdown helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.